Ensure all safety instructions are adhered to. Health and safety information can be found on the bottle labels provided with the test kit. MSDS are available upon request. This is our BSRIA BG50 Engineers test kit. It contains a comparator which is for the colour and metric tests. This comes with 4 discs: aluminium, copper, molybdate and iron. The comparator also comes with 4 10ml sample pots. There is a tablet crusher here for the 2 tablet boxes there. There's also a 5ml syringe and a 20ml syringe. There are 2 sample pots for collecting samples. There is also a 250ml beaker. There are 2 sets of standards. One to put your sample in, to check it against these standards, specifically for suspended solids. In front of the suspended solids, there is a pH and TDS meter. To go with the meter, we have a range of different standards here: pH 4, pH 7, pH 10 and TDSR. The tests in the box consist of M alkalinity, P alkalinity and OH alkalinity. Chloride reagents can be found here. These are for both chloride high range and chloride low range tests. There are hardness reagents here, molybdate reagents here, as well as iron reagents and nitrite reagents. The box also contains copper and aluminium tablets.